And the best option that we have is to install the new operating system, and that is Windows 10. Hi guys, how you doing? Have you decided to upgrade your computer's hard disk drive into a computer solid state drive? Well, this video is for you. I am Turco and I will be showing you how to clean install Windows 10 on a new solid state drive that we purchased online. Take note that we also have another way to upgrade your computer's solid state drive by cloning your hard disk drive into this new solid state drive that you have. But in this case, our computer has already saved a lot of data for a few years now, and the best option that we have is to install the new operating system, and that is Windows 10. Take note that for new laptops like this, we have the digital license embedded in the BIOS, meaning to say once the operating system is reinstalled, the license is activated digitally and automatically. Before we start, we need to prepare our tools. We need the screwdriver, the Windows 10 installer, which happens to be saved in this flash drive, which is now a bootable device, and our newly purchased solid-state drive. To ensure the quality of the solid-state drive we purchased online, we need to record the unboxing process. And we'll start now. And now we'll proceed to the unboxing process of our solid-state drive. We need to have the cutter. Make sure not to hit sensitive parts of your package. We have here these parts, and we have our solid state drive together with some accessories. Good thing the seller provided this cushion to avoid impact. As you can see, the box is something like wrinkled, but we will see the internal parts to evaluate if there are any physical damage. As we can see, the product seems okay. Let's try to evaluate if there are any physical damage. So this is a Kingston 250 gigabytes hard drive, solid state drive. It's 240 by the way. So here we go. Make sure that the computer is turned off before we start. Since the battery in this device is built in, we don't have the physical access to disconnect it. We need to be extra careful not to accidentally power the device on during this process. Carefully flip the laptop over and unscrew the hard disk drive cover. Uninstall the hard disk drive as shown in the video. Now, replace the solid-state drive to the uninstalled hard disk drive. Make sure to secure the solid-state drive properly. Now, position the laptop properly. Then, connect the USB bootable device that contains the Windows 10 installer. Access the laptop's BIOS by turning the computer on and hitting the F2 button before it boots up. Take note that in some laptops, the delete and escape buttons could possibly be pressed instead of F2 to access the laptop's BIOS. Once we are in the BIOS interface, locate and disable Secure Boot option before looking for the option for device priority. Make sure to set the USB flash drive as priority number 1. Once done, save changes and exit the BIOS interface. Now, just follow the on-screen guide prompts in the installation process. Since Windows 10 has been installed in the solid-state drive, we need not to run the installer from the USB flash drive again. Instead, we need to boot from the solid-state drive. Just continue to follow the on-screen guide until installation has been completed successfully. Type in the name of the account and click Next. Now that we have successfully installed Windows 10 in our new solid-state drive, take note that we also need to install additional software such as updated drivers and other application software to make this computer work in an updated state to maximize its efficiency. And that's it! That is how we perform a clean install on a new solid-state drive. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you want to spread awareness, please share this video to your friends or anyone whom you know who needs this information. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for new updates that we'll have in the future. Once again, it's Tutor Great here, always saying, keep safe and have a great day. Bye bye.